Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and in the left section scroll down to wallpapers and style. Now let's tap on wallpapers and here we've been transferred to the static wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. Right here we've got also this icon, so we can be transferred to our own files and set our own photo as a wallpaper. So to check the preview of the wallpaper on the full screen, simply tap on it, and here we can check of course other options also on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, tap on apply to, and you can decide where you want to apply to, so lock screen, home screen, and both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now, and here we've got also an additional option to apply wallpaper colors to your system, so let me quickly show it to you. Here we have to tap on wallpaper colors, and as you can see, your device will simply take the colors from the wallpaper and apply them to the system. You can custom it also, got it, custom, and just set the dots on the colors you'd like to use and confirm, maybe this one also, and confirm it with OK, and as you can see here we've got the preview. So now let's go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.